is going on? Welcome to the channel. It's Papi Mangu, El Mangu to your investments. And today, literally today, bro, green all across the board. Green all across the board. Except for She. She wasn't doing its thing today. But yeah, what can you do? I told you guys. I told you guys it's been pumping for too much. Too much pumping. Too much pumpage equals a correction. And as I predicted, we corrected. But when I hear like let's talk let's continue. Let's get this started. Remember, this isn't financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not you or your financial advisor. I'm just some guy on YouTube. And that's all that has to be said. So let's get right into it, folks. So we broke out of that. You see that line that I just deleted. We broke out of it. We broke out of it, and jeez, just look at that, dude. A huge pump. Also, we did have a correction here, like a quick dump right here. I wonder what happened here. Either some. I feel like that had to do with liquidation. It also probably had to do with probably also had to do with what's it called? The options expiring tomorrow. Either liquidation, options expiring, or whale selling. One of the three. You never know with this market, really. But it's, if you caught this 58,000, that's technically 58,000. 57,000, 58,000. If you caught that, congrats to you. Congrats to you, bro. I wish I caught it. I didn't even see this coming. I did not see this coming. I didn't have a notification bell or anything, but we quickly bounced right up. This was legit 2 minutes, dude. This wasn't too like. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. That happened in literally less than 5 minutes. So look at that. And then right back up though. Right back up. If you look at honestly, if you look at the 5-minute time frame, you get a kind of a better understanding of what's really going on. Look at the 30-minute. 30-minute, not so much. You just see, it just went up. But in the short term, you see that we're playing out like a kind. I guess you could say this is a bullish flag. It's a weird formation. Let's take this back to the hour. Let's do some technical analysis. Alright, so we're actually, it's a nice uptrend. I'm gonna put the line up here. We tapped the top right here at 62. Make my teal line per usual. You know how we do it with the teal line. We love the teal line. Now, from here to like here, I guess we're having an uptrend. I wouldn't put the line down here because it was just boom, boom. But let's put it like right there, going up. This could be resistance right here. We could make 60,000 resistance. If we turn this into resistance and possibly break out of this break upwards towards this uptrend, you could see some good things happening. Tomorrow could be bearish. Since given it's the end, it's gonna be the end of the month, and then the weekend comes in. The weekend's usually slow, but we might have a pump it up weekend. But truthfully, with this chart, I can't really say much. As of right now, I can't really say much or really predict much. Let's go in the 4 hour. The 4 hour is just going. It's just it's a slight little uptrend. Don't get too discouraged. Buy the dip whenever you see a dip, and just keep hodling. Keep hodling Bitcoin. Remember, this is our line that we're looking out for. We're looking out for our all-time high. We could test it again. In November next week, we could test it again. I'm hoping to see it. But yeah, let's keep going. Let's check out Ethereum. Ethereum, it almost broke down. When was this? This is like midnight. Yeah, at midnight it almost broke down, but then we seen some huge pumpage happening. Huge pumpage happening, and now we're still in this triangle. So we're probably gonna keep getting bounced in between here, and then have a nice old break up to our all-time high. That's what I like to see. I like to see it when we pump through our all-time high. So cause Ethereum hasn't hit its all-time high yet. It hasn't, and we're all anticipating it. It could be a blow off top. It could bounce off our all time high. Test go down here, go down here. But if we break out of this triangle, this bullish flag, we break upwards, we could have a good breakthrough. Because this has been going on since when? When was this? Since literally the 21st. We've been having this bull flag formed the 21st, and we've just been consolidating, trading sideways for the meantime. But don't get too discouraged. Just wait for it to come down here. Maybe pick up some. If it breaks down to 3,000, I'm not, like I said, I won't be mad. I like that. I like if it goes down. If it ever goes below 4,000, I'm buying. Myself, I'm buying, and that's for sure. Let's check on the DOGE. The DOGE is doing great, as you can see. Broke out of this downtrend. It broke out of this downtrend. It tapped the 2350 resistance line. Boom. Huge bull flag formation. We didn't even have to go in here. We didn't have to break down. We just pumped. This is legit 50%. All this right here is about 50%. And this happened 8 in the morning. 8 in the morning. He was up 8 in the morning, and I hope you guys bought this dip. This is a dip right here. This was a clean buy. I didn't catch it, unfortunately. I didn't have any cash on the side to catch it. I put in some other stuff. I already have a good position in Dogecoin, but darn, man, can't you see that? Let's check the 1 hour chart. We're forming a bullish flag, very bullish flag. I'm gonna can I take this off? No, because at this point, we don't need these lines anymore. Because we're out of this downtrend, and now we're up here. This is crazy. And then we could delete this. Alright. We got a brand new chart now. So you see, bullish flag, boom. Now we're consolidating. We went as high as 33 cents, 34 cents, almost touched 34 cents. We stopped at the 33 at 33.9. And now we're just correcting. We're just correcting right now. Let's make this our teal line. Teal line. I wish they had green. I don't know if they have green. And then from here over here, we keep bouncing off that. It's gonna be our red line, danger zone. Making sure we don't break down here. We're gonna keep going here. I see some bullish momentum. Maybe we might have a Doge pump it up weekend. Dude, I'm excited. I am excited for this weekend. It's gonna look great. It's gonna look it's the market's really foamy frothy. The market is doing its thing. All you have to do is just let it ride, guys. Hodl. Let the institutions, the whales, the retail investors, let them do their thing. As long as you're accumulating around these levels, when it's down here, you're Gucci. You're very Gucci, but let's see what happens. We'll probably we'll probably talk about this more later, or I'll get back to you guys tomorrow, and we could see what happens. If I don't see much happening here, then I'll kick it back tomorrow, and then we'll talk about what happened. But let's move on to ADA. ADA actually, that's a messy chart. It's a messy chart. Okay, let's take this off. We don't need this one no more. See, we were consolidating, and then we were kind of following like a downtrend, but then we broke out of this downtrend. We broke upwards. We broke to the upside, really. So let's actually delete all this, but we kind of went down. Let's delete all this, because we formed a bull flag. This is a mini bull flag, pumped up, a little pumpage. Let's draw our lines here, dude. One right here. It's a red line, a red zone. Don't want to go down here. So we're consolidating there, and from here, just we might get squeezed into this little area right here. Make that our teal line. We might get squeezed into this little area. Hopefully we see an explosion in ADA, because ADA hasn't done nothing. ADA is a sleeping giant. a very very sleepy giant, like Sleepy Joe. So honestly, just I would still be accumulating. It's a good buy right now. I would accumulate more, in my opinion. So just same with Dogecoin. We'll just see what happens with this bull flag formation. It's just consolidating, going sideways. Let's check the Sheepster. The Sheepster broke down. It broke down, like I said. It wasn't gonna fulfill this uptrend. So let's delete this. And let's delete this. Oh shucks! Look at this. Look at this. Look at this line of resistance right here going up. Who knows? Maybe we could tap out down here. Let me delete whatever's back here because we don't need these anymore. Ay, Dios. Remind me, guys. We don't even have to. Okay, yep. Because we would have, because this is kind of like an inverse head and shoulders. We could form a long term one. But honestly, like I said, the Sheepster is due for a correction. I know the Sheepster is due for a correction because it's inevitable. This coin pumped up so much. It pumped up so much. I grabbed my profits. I hope you guys did too. It's very important you guys grab your profits. Very, very important because you don't want to be left behind, and then like holding on to a bag where you could I took my profits up here. When it was up here, I'm like, I know this is the top. Let me grab mine and wait for it to cool down. And now I'm letting my profits do its thing. So for now, it's really just a waiting game, seeing when this could break below our resistance line. Our line of resistance. And that's, it could happen soon. Right here. Right here's a pretty good line to really draw. We could consolidate. If we tap here, let me actually draw a little mini line right here at the bottom. We bottomed here, and it looks like we bottomed there again. So this is our secondary line in the sand. So let's make that a little lighter. So this is our safety, and this is our danger zone. This is our safety line, and then here's a danger zone. And we're trying to get past this teal line. If we break past, I could see some bullish movements. If not, if we don't manage to just go upwards, then we'll continue going down, and I'll be buying. I'll really be buying. What is the RSI at? The RSI is very low right now because we look it up here. We were very oversold. Now we're in neutral territory. People were just taking profits here, and honestly, people are speculating that that's why Doge pumped, because people took their profits from Sheep and then just put it into Doge. That could also be a possibility. You never know with this market. All you could really do is do some data, technical analysis, and figure it out. All right, let's check Solana. I haven't even checked on Solana. Solana broke out of this downtrend, and that's what you love to see. You love to see it when your cryptos break out of downtrends. Now let's actually draw our line because it formed a nice bullish flag, and we're just going up, up, and there's our red line, and here is our teal line. Keeps touching these parts right here. We keep kind of breaking out here. But we're not breaking out. We're not really breaking out. This is our teal line right here. So we could get pushed in here. I'll probably, So I'll say here. This is our flag right here for Solana. And all in all, we just wait. So, like they're all honestly, I feel like all these coins, the main coins, just like the pumpage coins, they're all doing the same patterns. And as you can see here, you see like it was a nice run up, and then we could come down, see some red, a little red here, and then up again. The RSI is still in neutral territory, so ain't much to talk about for Solana. Check Matic. Matic broke out. Keep moving these. I don't like when I move these. I wish they just automatically lock. But honestly, it's safe to say we don't need this anymore. And then this white line, you see, this pattern played out well, and then we just went up. So let's close that out. Let's set an uptrend. It looks like we're just going up an uptrend now, and I like this. I like this. I like this, my friends. Don't. You know, it's very good. It's very good. I like that. Yeah, there you go. Right here. I would say you could play out this pattern right here. You know, this little uptrend. Where does that lead to? That leads us back to our all-time high. Is that so on the all-time high? No, this is Matic. Oops, this is Matic. Matic's all-time high is at $3. So safe to say we're not there yet, but we're making it. We're making our way. Matic, you know, Matic's been pumping. Matic's been pumping. If you bought Matic, if you bought Matic down here or all the way down here, dude, you're in significant profits. But let's move this line at the bottom of that red candle right there. This is our danger zone. This is our support line, danger zone. If we go down here, this is like, I would say this is like a fire sale. It's a fire sale. If it goes down here, it's a fire sale. That's how you should think about it. Think about that. Alright, now let's go to AMC. AMC they pumped up a little bit today, and then it just keeps going sideways, to be honest. So if you're accumulating AMC's still a buy. I mean, right now you can't accumulate it, but I would say wait till the market opens tomorrow and get some more. If it doesn't keep going up, or if it keeps going down, just make sure you're setting your risk management the right way. Now let's actually just do some. Let's check out the market caps. So Bitcoin still holding strong. The total market cap is 2.6 trillion. Oh, the market cap for Ethereum grew. It grew from like 488 last time to 500 billion. Solana's still number 6, 88 number 5. Binance Coin. I might have to start looking into Binance Coin. Binance Coin number 3. Wow. XRP. I recently got into XRP. XRP is a great project, in my opinion. It's a great project. If I was you, I would look into it. You know, check it out, see what's up with it. Check the use cases and read up on the XRP case. Read up on it. So then that's why they're so low right now. They're so low because the SEC is like coming at them, trying to come at them hard over a lending program they tried to do back in January. And the SEC, you know, they say that the SEC is not going to win this case. They're not going to win this case, but this case might go on until next year or next coming years. But honestly, that means they're just gonna keep getting settled, staying like the $1, staying between $1, $1.50. Let's check it out. Let's check where, cause it's been range bound from. Let's check the last 7 days. You see, it's just been range bound between like 116 or whatever. 30 days, you see, highest it went to like 122. It's still below $2. It's been below $2 for so long. It was the all-time high up here. All-time high was 144. Let me check your total. All-time high, almost $2. Does it say it? No, it doesn't say it. Could find some news. All-time high, 392. All-time high is 392. So literally, you buy now, wait till the all-time high hits. That's almost quadruple your money, triple your money. Cause look it, it's like triple your money, dude. And then keep holding, go more. But that's not, it's not financial advice. It's something you should look into, something you should study, something you should keep in your mind. All right. Total market cap 106 billion. Wow. Okay. Anyway, is that? No, it's 50 billion. Anyway, as you can see, oh wow, DOGE and SHIB are neck and neck. I be seeing, hold on, let me try to see if I can find it in a different, Just look up coin market cap. Okay, yep, that is accurate. So Sheev's market cap is at 38 billion. I mean 35 billion, and Dogecoin was at 39 billion. Is at 39 billion. Earlier today, yesterday, Sheev was at like 51 billion or 40 something billion, and then this morning, that all changed. Literally, it just went down, and then Doge's was at like 40 something, 42 billion this morning, and now we're at 39 billion. But regardless, we're gonna always flip Shiba. Shiba's just forget. Shiba's more of a get rich quick. I'm over here looking through Twitter. Everyone's saying, oh, this, that, and the third. Shiba Inu, and switching over from Shiba to Doge, and I'm like, that's not a good strategy. You should have, if you're an investor, you should have both of them. If anything, you should have both of them. If anything, you know what? But she was more risky. She was more of a gamble. So I would say, keep your risk management cool. Shiba Inu, don't put too much in there, cause you see how volatile it is. It went all the way back in when was it, April, like the beginning of this year. It went all the way up, and then as soon as it tapped the top, it went straight back down. A lot of people lost their money because they wanted to be greedy hogs. They want to be greedy hogs. They want to keep holding and holding and holding. Maybe we can get more. Maybe we can get more. Give me. Take. But you got wrecked. You got wrecked if you held the bag. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I was one of those. I seen that hype. I bought it when it was like at 39 something, 0.00039 something. I lost a lot of money, but it was only 100. Like me and my girlfriend both put in a total of $100, so like a 40-60 split. I only put $40 because I didn't really, Shiba Inu, but yeah. I mean, if I held what I had carried long ago, because even before it ran up, recently to over 300%. I had like $50 in there. I had $50 in there in my own portfolio, and then I sold it because of some FUD, and then I missed out. But it's okay. It's okay. When you miss out, you get better opportunities. So I'm not even stressing it. I'm waiting until Shiba Inu goes down a little bit though. It's been going down. Went as low as this 590 recently, but wait for it to cool down. I would say do your own technical analysis, watch the chart. Don't FOMO in. Do not FOMO in. Everyone loves to FOMO in. Don't FOMO in. It's not. That is not a good way to go. I'm telling you. Let's check the fear and greed. Okay, so right now we're at 66, so we're getting more closer to the neutral. I'm not sure what's really causing the fear and greed. I mean, there's a lot of stuff going on in the market. Not much to really get scared of. I'm not seeing any FUD really. Not much FUD. Just a whole bunch of like dumps. But the dumps are just either whales trying to wreck the leverage traders, or people taking profit. But like I said, I wouldn't mind if this goes all the way down here. If it goes all the way down there, hell, I'm buying, because it's gonna be at a discount if you see that. Now let's check the alt season index. We are nearing alt season. Are we still in Bitcoin month? Oh. No, it's still in Bitcoin month. Oh, they updated this. Yeah, they updated this chart. Now you can't really like see over here where it says we're in Bitcoin month, but you got the gist of it. It's not altcoin season yet. It's not altcoin month yet, and it's not altcoin year yet. That's coming though. It's coming real soon. Just wait till we get up here. Don't For now, I would say focus on Bitcoin, and this isn't financial advice. Just focus on Bitcoin, and make your strongest position Bitcoin. And I can't stress that enough, because Bitcoin's gonna hold your portfolio up. Bitcoin holds your portfolio up. So right now, I would say it's a good time to buy Bitcoin before Bitcoin starts skyrocketing when the peak of the bull market comes in. Because once the peak of the bull market comes in, and then Bitcoin tops out, and then it starts just crashing down. That's when altcoin season starts. That's when altcoin month starts. That's when altcoin year starts. And all the altcoins are gonna keep going up, and I'm gonna be taking my profits from Bitcoin and putting it all into my altcoins. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I hope you're doing a good idea. You have a good strategy plan for the next coming months, the next coming 30, 90 to 120 days, because a lot's gonna happen. A lot is going to happen. Anyway, that's all I really have for today. I just wanna share my. I wanna share my Twitter account. I hope you guys give me a follow. I'm just starting out. I'm just starting out. I just started this Instagram. This Twitter account. I'll be starting an Instagram soon. TikTok soon. I got a Snapchat account where I'll be. If you could personally talk to me. Personally talk to me. We could. I could be your financial advisor, but I'm not gonna stress you or put you into anything that you don't want to do. But I could help you, point you in the right direction, show you some technical analysis, and then let you go home with that. I'll let you go home with that. I'll show you a little something here and there, and then I'll let you go home with that, so you can find out how you could assess your portfolio and all that. But we're growing. We are growing, and I hope that you help me out here in growing my channel, because just help me help you. That's it. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to help you primarily. I don't care about me. Well, of course I care about me, but in this case, I'm here to help you mainly, and then I feel good about it. That's it. But yeah, you guys take care. I hope you guys have some mango later. Have some mango with your avocado, and I hope you have a really good day. Have a good rest of your night, and I will see you tomorrow, or possibly later today, if I figure out what's going on in the market. All right, take care, y'all.